20 Best Fruits for Skin Health. Your skin is a reflection of your internal health. These are all of the best fruits rich in vitamins and antioxidants that support collagen production, hydration, and a natural glow. 1. Blueberries. High in antioxidants that fight skin aging free radicals. 2. Strawberries. Rich in vitamin C for healthy collagen and skin elasticity. 3. Oranges. Essential for skin repair and natural brightening. 4. Papaya. Contains enzymes that help clear dead skin cells. 5. Avocado. Healthy fats that keep the skin hydrated and flexible. 6. Mangoes. Rich in vitamin A which helps in skin cell regeneration. 7. Watermelon. High water content to keep your skin deeply hydrated. 8. Pomegranate. Helps protect the skin from sun damage and aging. 9. Kiwi. Packed with vitamin C to firm and tighten the skin. 10. Apples. Contain malic acid for a smoother and healthier complexion. 11. Grapes. Resveratrol helps protect the skin from oxidative stress. 12. Lemon. Natural detoxifier that helps reduce skin blemishes. 13. Cherries. Contain soothing properties that reduce skin redness. 14. Apricots. Rich in vitamins that support a soft and smooth texture. 15. Pineapple. Contains bromelain to help reduce skin inflammation. 16. Bananas. Provide potassium and moisture for dry skin relief. 17. Blackberries. Support the skin structure and natural defense. 18. Guava. Powerful antioxidants that help prevent premature wrinkles. 19. Plums. Help improve skin tone and overall appearance. 20. Peaches. Rich in nutrients that help maintain skin moisture. Nourishing your body with these fruits may help support a clear, youthful, and healthy complexion.